a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see.
Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli Love Decor. Guys, we are back again with another series for the fall season 2025 on how I style my home for the autumn season. So today we are going to be doing a video on the guest bathroom. I'm going to be styling it for the fall season. I've already added a few decorative pieces. Before I had those two bird wall art, I took them out and I put those two leaf that I purchased from, I believe, Michael's a couple of years ago. I've had them for a couple of years from Michael's. So we are going to be styling the bathroom. Everything has already been wiped down. Everything has already been cleaned and prepped. So let's start decorating, guys. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment below and tell me how you like how I styled the bathroom for the fall season. And please don't forget to put your notification bell on so you can be notified when I upload a new video. This decorative piece right here, I bought it a year ago at Burlington, maybe a year and a half ago. I think last Christmas I bought it. And it's not meant to put toilet paper, but I'm gonna use it to put toilet paper. I'm using it in there just to store extra toilet paper, and I put one in each, and whenever it's done I'll refill it again. As I've always said, guys, just because something is meant for something else, it doesn't mean you can't use it for something else. With decoration, you can do whatever you want. You can, that's what makes you unique, and that's what makes your style different. That sets you apart from everybody else. So again, I'm using those decorative pieces just to store my toilet paper. Those two candle holder, I picked them up from, I believe I picked them up from Burlington. And I'm just adding those two little glam pumpkin that I picked up a couple of years ago from the Dollar Tree. And I absolutely love them. Guys, I'm sorry about the camera shaking. I guess I was trying to fix something and it's just shaking. I'm sorry about that. I was trying to adjust it. Now I'm adding this nice little marble, I guess not tray, but trinket that I picked up from Ross. I have my floss in there and my Q-tip. This nice little marble tray. I picked it up from Ross. And this orange thing, again, guys, it's a canister. So I'm not using it as a canister. I'm using it as a vase. And I just do some those beautiful sunflower stems in there. And that picture frame, it's actually the picture in there is from Etsy. It's just they call it clip art. I just went in there, bought some clip art for like $1 or $2, and then I just sent the picture to Walgreens, printed it, and put it in that frame. I purchased this frame from Marshall's on clearance. I think I paid $2 for it. And I'm adding this beautiful hand towels that I picked up from Ross last year. So a lot of the things I used last year, I'm using again. I'm mixing the old and the new together. I didn't purchase any new towels this year. I'll pick some up after the season is over on clearance. I'm adding this pumpkin inside this lantern as a little decorative piece on the corner. Now over to my little shelf on top of the toilet. We're going to be styling that as well. I'm adding this pumpkin, beautiful pumpkin. I believe it's from Rachel Zoe. I got it from Home Goods and it was like $7.99. I thought the price was reasonable for the size. This beautiful floral arrangements, I picked them up from Hobby Lobby this year. And I just added it to my ginger jar that I got from Ross, this ginger jar. It was like $19.99. This book, I absolutely love it. It says A Season of Hope. I picked it up from Burlington. I think I paid like $4 for that book. These little pumpkins were from Hobby Lobby. I picked them up maybe a couple of years ago. It comes in a set of 3 that says Bliss, Hope, and Faith, I think. I didn't see them this year. I haven't seen them yet, so I don't know if they've brought them back, but I got them from Hobby Lobby. Again, this is a picture frame that I picked up from Marshall's on clearance, and the picture inside the frame is a clip art that I just buy on Etsy, and I just sent the picture to Walgreens and I printed them and added it to the frame. Those beautiful candles, twisted orange candles, I picked them up from Ross this year. They came in a set of 4 and it was $4.99. The candle holders, I got them from Aldi's about a year ago. This little napkin holder, I picked it up from Ross. It was $4.99. Now I'm adding my marble tray on the other side, adding my little lamp, touch-up lamp, just to bring some warmth into the bathroom at night. If you're washing your hands, you don't have to turn the light on. Got this beautiful candle. It smells amazing, guys. I picked it up from Burlington, and I believe it was $6.99. And now I'm adding my hand soap. You will see later on where I add a nice little orange bow to that candle holder in the final reveal. We're going to be adding my rugs that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I got them from Hobby Lobby. Again, I believe those were meant for the kitchen, and I love the color, and I'm like, these would be perfect for my bathroom. And I just picked them up from, not Hobby Lobby, Aldi's. And they were $6.99 each at Aldi's, and the color goes perfect with my bathroom. And I just added the little I don't know what you call it, that the thing underneath it to prevent the rug from slipping. And so I just added that and love it.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that.
Fam, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you really like how I styled my guest bathroom for the fall season of 2025. Please don't forget to leave me a comment below. Tell me how you like it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps my channel grow. It really lets YouTube know that you guys are enjoying my content. Until the next time, have a blessed one. Remember, your home is your happy place, your sanctuary, your place of peace and comfort and joy, styled and decorated to reflect your unique style. Until next time.